Hello, everyone. My name is Miss B, and I'm from Handful Players.
Hello, hi, I'm Mr. Jourdan, and I'm also with Handful Players.
Today, we are going to be reading a book for all of you, and that book is called Something Beautiful. This book is written by Sharon Dennis Wyeth. We really hope you enjoy. When I look through my window, I see a brick wall. There's trash in the courtyard and a broken bottle that looks like fallen stars.
There is writing in the halls of my building. On the front door, someone put the word die.
Where I walk past a lady whose home is a big cardboard carton. She sleeps on the sidewalk, wrapped up in plastic.
Run past a dark alley where Mommy told me I must never stop. Behind the fence, there is a garden without any flowers. Mommy said that everyone should have something beautiful in their life. Where is my something beautiful?
The teacher taught me the word in school. I wrote it in my book. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think it means something that when you have it, your heart is happy.
I go to Miss Delphine's diner. Hi there, sugar pie, says Miss Delphine. What are you up to? I'm looking for something beautiful, I tell her. Sit down a minute, she says as she goes to the grill. She puts on fish. The fish sizzles. Miss Delphine makes it into a sandwich. There's nothing more beautiful tasting than my fried fish sandwiches, she tells me. My teeth sink in. This is good.
When I go back outside, I see some of my friends. Do you have something beautiful? I ask them. Well, I have my jump rope, says Sybil. I have my beads, says Rebecca. Check out my new shoes, says Jamal.
My fruit store is one beautiful store, says Mr. Lee. You do have nice apples, I say. Thank you, Mr. Lee says. Take one.
Watch my moves, says Mark, playing ball in the playground. Hear my sound, says Georgina, dancing on the sidewalk.
Touch this smooth stone, says old Mr. Sim, sitting on the front porch. All these years I have carried it in my pocket.
Through the big window in the laundrette, I see Aunt Carolyn holding baby Carl. And where are you off to, little miss? She asked me. I am looking for something beautiful, I say. She hands me Carl and folds up the clothes. I tickle Carl and he giggles, and he makes me giggle too. My baby's laugh is something beautiful, says Aunt Carolyn.
I go back home and sit down on my stoop. I look at the trash in my courtyard. I see the word die on my door.
I go upstairs and get a broom and a sponge and some water. I pick up the trash, I sweep up the glass, I scrub the door very hard, and when dye disappears, I feel powerful. Someday, I'll plant flowers in my courtyard, and I'll invite all my friends to come and see.
I will give a real home and a real bed to the lady who sleeps in a cardboard carton. She will sing, and I will hear her song. Mommy comes home from work. She gives me a great big hug. Do you have something beautiful? I ask her. Of course, she says. I have you. The end.
We really hope that you all enjoyed this story. I know I really enjoyed it, and I hope that it brought you some happiness at home during this time. If you want to keep working with the story, we have some other videos after this one that you can do that will engage with the story that we just told you. I hope that you visit our website at handfulplayers.org, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.